Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply, and this video is to bring you a closer look at the Danjo number EL115-619-RC. This is an extended lip strike plate is what this is. This is a 2¼ inch strike. That's because of the height. And if you, well, we call it a D strike. If you use your imagination, you can see why we call it a D strike. Or full lip strike, it's very commonly referred to. It has a full lip. Okay. The EL-115 refers to its dimensional properties. First of all, it's 2¼ tall. The overall width is about 2 inch, but the way that strike plates are referred to is the center line, extended lip strikes, or the lip dimension, is from the center line of the screw holes to the edge of the lip, and that makes this one is 1.5 inches. Okay, so the EL115 means that it's 1.5 inches. The 619 in the part number refers to the fact that this is a satin nickel strike. It also refers to the fact that it's solid brass. Okay, solid brass and satin nickel. The RC in the part number means radiused corners. Okay. Now, why radiused corners? Well, it's very common. Wood door manufacturers, pre-hangers, they will route the jamb. They will create the preparation for the strike, and they won't go back and square those corners out. And if it has a 1/4 inch radius, and that's what this is, that would obviously tell us you're using a 1/2 inch diameter router bit. 2-flute carbide router bit, 1/2 inch diameter, would leave a 1/4 inch radius. Okay. Why do you want a 1/4 inch radius? Well, typically 2 reasons. You don't know the difference and you're just matching what's there, and that's all you know. Great, no problem. Or you know the difference and you have no intention nor desire to go and chisel 100 wood frames and square them out. You just want the radius corner. That's a great idea too. Simply put, if you dropped the RC in the part number, you would get the same strike, just square corner. Screws are included in a complimentary finish. Okay. There's a link below this video to a document called Template, which gives you all of the dimensional properties that I've not touched on. Now, why do you need an extended lip strike? Well, most commonly, you have an application where the latch bolt makes premature contact with the casing or the wall, whatever the situation might be. This is about 5/16 or 3/8 larger than standard, greater lip length than standard. So if you're encountering something that's about a 1/4 inch thicker than usual, or 3/8, this is probably exactly what you need. Or it could be because your door is inset into the frame a little bit further than standard as well. That's not uncommon, even though for a small offset or an increased dimension on this it might be uncommon. But when you stand on the pull side of the door and you run your hand over the door and frame, the door is inset into the frame ever so slightly, like 3/32 of an inch generally. Well, imagine if that dimension was 3/8 of an inch. You'd certainly need an extended lip strike exactly like this one. And if you need extended lip strikes, you might also need to consider wide throw hinges, which we can help you with as well. This strike is going to be available in polished brass, antique brass, satin nickel like this, antique nickel, stainless steel, and then a DU finish, which is a dark bronze powder coat over stainless steel, so it'd complement oil rub bronze. There's a link below this video as well to the product catalog, and that is just a link to the subsection of the full line product catalog as it relates to strike plates from Danjo. Now, they are a comprehensive manufacturer of strike plates, not only standard extended lip strikes in 2¼ tall, but T strikes, ANSI strikes, a variety of extensions on the lip, 6 inch, 12 inch, 18 inch. And they can make any strike that you want. Should you actually need them to custom manufacture you one, they can do it. Their base materials are going to be brass and bronze and stainless steel generally. So that's what you're working with. Finally, there's a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up the full line Danjo catalog and review all things trim and auxiliary from them. They are a comprehensive manufacturer of trim and auxiliary, not only extended lip strikes, but door stops and kick plates. But it's their 2 product lines that they're most notorious for. Their door reinforcing wraparound plates, and of course their latch guards, and all that's available for review there. If you have any questions on the Donjo, EL 115-619-RC 2 1/4 inch extended lip strike with a 1/4 inch round corner, dull nickel plate finish, or any other Donjo product, please feel free to reach out to us. Thank you.